Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Dollar Tree centerpiece. So, I just threw what I need on the floor. The things that I'm going to be using are a little candle jar from Dollar Tree. This right here is a cutting board from the kitchen section, and I actually already glued this on using hot glue, and then I figured I would show you guys what I was doing. So now I'm starting to record. And then this is, what size are these? These are an 8-inch wreath form. And then what I'm gonna do is fill up that wreath form and then sit it on that because it actually goes perfectly. I thought about using this, but I think that's going to be just a little bit too big, and I don't have any more floral pins. So what I'm going to decorate this with is some burlap and some mesh and just some fall floral scraps. So like I said, the first thing we want to do is just hot glue, or E6 or E6000, 3000, I forgot what it is, haven't used it in so long. Just glue these two together, and then we're going to start working on this. All I've done here is pick out some deco mesh that I liked out of my open stuff. I have some chocolate brown here. I have some orange that I pre-cut to do something with, but I don't remember. And I just have some burlap here. This is from Walmart. You get this big gigantic roll. Let me show you. This right here, and it is, does it say the price on it? It's $3.47 for all this, and you get 30 feet. So I just did that stuff with my rotary cutter on a mat so I don't mess my desk up. And I've cut 4 tinsel stems here and just cut them in half. So I'm just gonna start walking my fingers up this stuff, start making little ruffle bouquets, and I don't really know. So this is what I mean. Hope you guys can see that. And then I think I want this one on top. So you guys can hold this with a clothespin. You can do whatever you want. You can use a bow dabra, whatever. So all I'm gonna do is kind of pull that up and twist my tinsel stem on it so it holds. And then I'm going to take one of these. I'm going to do the same thing. This is kind of frayed. Just make a clean edge on that. And then do the same thing. Walk my fingers up this. These might actually be cut way too small. Yeah, I'm gonna reverse the order of this. And I'm actually gonna cut myself a much longer piece here. So we're gonna go about this long. And we'll walk our fingers up it again. Hold it, get our tinsel stem, go around it, twist, and then we'll take our burlap and walk our fingers up this, and then this will go here. Perfect. And then we will secure this to this ring. I'm going to use the 2 outer rings just because I want to secure this onto here by gluing this middle one. So all I'm gonna do is make a whole bunch of blossoms. I think I'll need about 1, 2, maybe 6, and I'm gonna fill this wire form up. So when I do that, I'll come back. So I really am just winging this, guys. What I've done is just filled my entire 8-inch wreath form up. Can't really see too well. So all that I'm going to end up doing is placing it right over this, and you can see that it is indeed nice and full. Let me pick you up here. It is nice and full. So all I'm going to do now is take ribbon scraps that I have. I have some of these, and I have some of this, and this. This one, I just took it and make little loops and secured it with a little tinsel stem. I pulled out some pumpkins too, but I think they're just too big. So all I'm going to do is go through and just secure this into my wreath frame. So as you can see, we have a little blossom of ribbon there. And then I have this one, which I think I'm just gonna do like I did with the other one. Just make little loops. So that one I'll just make 2 with. And then this one, I'll see how many I can make. This one we also will get 2 out of. I think this ribbon is really pretty from the Dollar Tree, but my gosh, it makes a mess. If you can see here, it's pretty gross. And then I have this that says fall blessings and all that stuff. So we're gonna do 3 on this one. So there's, oh, here comes the cat. So there's that. Tony, please don't eat the ribbon, babe. And then we'll cut that. And I'm just gonna go around and place all of these in this form, and then I will come back. All right, I got all the ribbon in there. I didn't go that crazy, and I didn't use that pumpkin checkered one just because it did not come from Dollar Tree. So I have a whole bunch of floral that I cut. This all came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna start hot gluing this into place. It's gonna go pretty willy-nilly with this here. I have some maple leaves, which are nice. And like I said, there's gonna be no rhyme or reason to this. This is kind of the easy part. Just start gluing stuff where you think it looks good. If I can get my glue into my glue gun. This glue gun is ridiculously hot right now. I forgot what these are. Hydrangeas. These are hydrangeas. Oh no. Ow. Ah. My suggestion would be not to use a high temp glue gun that has been sitting on for like an hour. Oh my goodness, does that hurt. I have a couple of leaves here. Just cut them right in half. Yeah. And if you are going to use a high temp, just go sparingly on how much you pump out, because I always burn myself and it does not feel good at all. I don't really know if I'm feeling the sunflowers. I think more or less just the, oh man, I'm making a mess. More or less just the maple leaves are going to be good enough. I'll have to see if yeah, see, I think these are too much. I like that one. Maybe just not the, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I have some mums. I don't really like that either. I don't know. I have some darker hydrangeas here. So let me just place all this stuff in here and then I'll be back. Our next step now, after we've completely filled up and decorated our wreath form, is to secure it to this. So I'm gonna try to do this carefully because I already got myself real good, of course, on my middle finger with the hot glue. So I think I will, I don't know how I want to do this. I think I'm just going to go around that inner ring right here that we have nothing on and try to be, I guess, a little precise with this, but not like overdoing it, just in a couple of places to secure it down. Because this is so hot, you guys, it hurts so bad. All right, and then quick pop it on. And just press it down. And then this is pretty much our finished product here. I grabbed a couple of little votives from Dollar Tree. These you can get $1 for 2. And just pop it right in the middle there. And we have a Dollar Tree fall centerpiece that costs well under $10. So that is the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys don't burn yourselves. Thanks for watching, guys.